Dear students, from tomorrow onwards, don't join soon. So join at exact time at 10 a.m.
Hi.
Good morning, students. Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
As I already mentioned, please don't join before. So today, some of the
Good
students
morning,
have been
sir.
joined at 15 minutes before. If you join, automatically the recording will be started, and it is a waste of use. Yesterday also it has been same, half an hour it has been joined previously, some of the students. So from tomorrow onwards, please join a 5 minutes before. That's enough. Don't join 15 minutes or an half an hour before. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning
Okay,
also.
sir.
We'll wait another 5 minutes till most students have to be get joined. Before that, I'm going into yesterday's exam. I hope many of you gave perfect answers. I'm very much happy compared to yesterday.
Yes.
Okay, let me go with the first question. So I have given a picture and asked what is my name. My name is so around 159 students, only 129 have given the right answer. So that is resistors. And I gave the symbol of a current. So 132 have given the right answers.
Sir, the unit of capacitor is what, sir?
Farads, F.
Sir, but I noted
That
actually
was
showing wrong, sir.
even for me. So same problem, sir.
No worries.
For me
For
also,
50
sir.
No worries. For 54 students, it has been given right answer. One who has given the right option, for them it is showing. Sometimes it might happen due to the network issue or else due to the Google link issues. But for me, it is showing up perfectly. Around 54 students have given the right answer. Can you see my, wait, I'll share my screen to you all. Hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can see what is my unit. So the answer is farads. So 54 students have given the right answers. 33 members have given inductor. Is inductor a unit or a component?
Only, sir.
No, sir.
Is inductor is a unit or a component? It's a component, but you have given it as an unit. It's very much
No, sir.
bad for this question. Most of them have given the wrong answer. Symbol of inductor. Wow, 129 have answered perfectly. Then I given what is my name? That's diode picture I have given. 111.
Yes, sir.
My fancy number. So around 111 students have been given the right answer. Very good. Printed circuit boards are temporary or permanent? Let you answer, please. Why it is a permanent and what is the reason? Can anyone raise your hand and answer it, please? Printed circuit board is a temporary or a permanent. So around 57 students have mentioned it as a yes, it is a temporary. Can I know who are those? We'll see. Don't want. I want. I was not willing to show those names. So the right answer is printed circuit boards are a temporary because it is not a temporary, as you will be soldering on a PCB, that is on a printed circuit boards. What are the components that you are connecting? For example, if you're using an Arduino, you will just do the soldering and you will leave it. So if you are not doing the soldering and you are connecting with the jumper wires, it is a temporary. So in the printed circuit boards, I will show you an example of a printed circuit board. So this is the basic printed circuit board. So in this you will be just keeping the components and you will be doing the solderings, which the soldering will be more efficiently and it will be more tight compared to the breadboard or any other else connectivities. Okay, that's why it is a permanent one. When going for the breadboards, in the breadboard it won't be like this, so you'll be just insert. That's it. You'll be just inserting in it. So in the breadboards, it is not like so. You'll be just inserting a pin. If you pull it with a higher strength or a good strength, it will be removed easily. Okay.
Okay.
Am I audible or not, ma?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Okay, fine. Next, I am an electrical switch. Which is an electrical switch.
Transistor.
Only 78 students have given it is a transistor. Right answer. Rest of them had given it is wrong. IC is also called as. But why some of them have given controller? Before the controller also IC is a chip. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Around I hope I had given only 10 questions yesterday. So among all
Yes, sir.
10 topics. Okay. So yesterday I have not uploaded any video link. The reason is I'll be uploading it today, and the another reason because yesterday some of the students have joined half an hour before. We need to trim that video and we need to upload it. Okay, we are on that work. We'll be uploading today both today's and yesterday's videos. That's why I'm mentioning don't join earlier. Join only a 5 minutes before. If you join at the exact time, no worries. If you join after the 5 minutes, also no worries. But don't join more than before 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Sir, who got highest, sir?
Highest, as I mentioned, I'll not give the highest one. Who is the highest one and who is the topper? Because in my point, everyone is a topper. Okay. Why I am saying everyone is a topper? So if you are not capable in this concept, you may be capable in another concept. So I will not discourage any other students who are joining for the sessions or who are taking the exam. But compared to yesterday, today the result is very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll wait another 2 minutes. I'll be starting at exactly 10:10. And from today onwards, Esma Jayashree, you have raised your hand. Can I know what's your query?
Sir, can you explain me yesterday's third and fourth question, sir?
Yes, sure, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
So what is my value? So I have given a resistor picture. Okay, this is the one. It's very simple. So I'll go with this question paper and I'll explain you with a picture. So this is the one. I hope you had a doubt.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'll give the suggestions. You need to answer it perfectly. Okay. So I'll make this picture somewhat larger. What is the color? First one.
Blue, sir.
First one is a blue
Brown.
color. The first band.
No.
It is
Brown,
a
sir.
brown. What's the value of a brown? What is the value of a brown?
1,
1.
2,
1.
1. Okay. What's the value of a black?
0.
0.
What's the value of another black?
0.
0. Okay. So what's the value of a red? Red and brown are again it came into a multiplier and tolerance. Okay. So what is the multiplier of a red?
100 ohms.
100 ohms. 100 or 10? Now who is that making noise?
What is the value of red?
Yes. What is the value of red?
100 ohms, right, sir?
100? 100 into 100?
1000.
1000.
10,000.
What is meant by 1K?
1,000.
1000? Let me check with this your question. So you need a resistor where please you only need to be calculate this. So I'll give the resistor table also. Please calculate and give me the answer. So what's the value of the red multiplier now? Oh, red is 10. It is not clear.
Yes.
Okay, what's the value of the red?
100 ohms. 100 ohms.
So 10 into 100 ohms? Not 100 into 100
1,000.
ohms. Hmm?
1,000.
Yes,
1,000.
10,000.
10,000.
10,000 S. So what is the value of what is meant by 1K? It is 1,000.
Yes, sir.
What the options I have given here? 10K. 10K means 10,000.
Oh, yes, sir. Actually, I was offline, so I confused this question.
Okay, fine, but no worries. Next time you can make it a right answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now just a minute. Give me a minute of. Okay, so the another question I'll be explaining you, ma. Just give me a minute. So I have given the another picture as this. Oh,
Yes, sir.
so I hope the picture is clear enough to all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So what is the first color? You need the resistor
Yellow.
table. Okay, I'll show you the resistor table.
Yellow is 4.
So here is the resistor table. Yellow is
4.
okay.
4.
So what is the second color?
Violet.
What's
Violet.
the value of violet?
7.
7.
What is the value of red? 100 ohms.
2.
Okay. 2. The value of red is. So the last two colors of a resistor will indicate it as an tolerance and a multiplier. Okay. Don't, dear
Yes,
students,
sir.
please don't get confused. If you take any kind of a resistor, there will be last two colors will be indicating as a tolerance and a multiplier. First one is the multiplier, second one is the tolerance. Okay. So what is the value of red here now? 100 ohms.
100 home.
1,000.
Okay. So 47 into 100,
47.
4,700.
Okay.
Okay. Now, how can we simplify and write it 4,700? 4.7
4.7K.
kilo ohms.
K.
Okay. K means kilo. 4.7 kilo ohms. And what is the tolerance? Gold color. Gold color tolerance is plus or minus 5.
5%.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
which is the right option? The first one.
4.7.
Ma, I think one who has a doubt. Now it is clear, ma, or I need to explain once again? Please let me know. Dear student who has asked the doubt, please let me know if it's clear to you, Jayashri, or else I need to explain once again, ma. Student, please respond to me. Jahnavi, yeah, okay. Okay, fine, ma. So any doubts in yesterday's or day before yesterday's concepts, let me know, please.
No, sir.
Okay. Shall we dive into today's concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So can everyone turn on your cameras once, please? I want to see all the glowing faces. Wow. Fresh enough to take my sessions. Good, good, good. So why only 46 members have been joined today? Why only 46 students have been joined? Please send or just make a call to your friends and ask them to join for the session. If possible, please. Oh, some students have just taken the exam. Okay. 47 is okay. I can see all of your faces, all of your beautiful faces in the Thursday morning. Okay. You can just let me show my face also to you all. Hope am I clearly visible to everyone? Okay. Okay, let me take a screenshot of it. Okay, fine. Now we'll just go into the session. So what is the today's concept as per the agenda?
3D design.
Designing.
Yes, designing, 3D designing and printing. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, and I want to inform you one thing. From today onwards, the session will be only for the 1.5 hours. The reason is yesterday most of the students have given a thing. So we doesn't have a data to see to continue the whole class session. So please make it into a shorter sessions. As per his suggestions, not only one, around I got 8 same responses. Only 1 to 1.5 GB of data is available with them maybe. So I'll be taking 1.5 hour session without any delays or without any breaks. I'll be giving. There is no fun sessions from today onwards, ma.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, ma.
Okay,
Please
sir.
cooperate with this update.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. So now I'll share my screen to you all. So I hope most of the faces I have seen in the summer camp. So now I will not explain about the 3D designs. Most of my students, I hope that they are very much faster than me, I hope. So now you need to give the, you need to guide me how to design 3D designs or something else. Let me go with the Tinkercad. Okay, now what should I do, ma?
Oh, good. Tinkercad.
Students, please guide me. What should I do now?
So go to Think.
Hmm?
So you have to click designs, I think.
Designs.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
let me check.
Account.
Yes, exactly.
And-
Next,
And create.
create designs.
3D
And click another one for the
design. 3D design.
3D designs. Okay. Good. Who has been guided me? Can I know your name, ma, please?
so Sinchan HG.
Yeah, good, ma. You have said perfectly right. Okay,
So-
now. Yes. Is anyone had a doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, say what's your doubt?
Sir, what we have in our small screens that the Tinkercad is not working properly.
Oh, you had that problem. Okay, let me give you an application. So after the session, okay, right now, can you try it? I'll say you an application called as a Tinkercad. I'll share you with you. Just give me a minute.
Yes, sir. Did you have any manners?
Just give me a minute, ma. I'll be showing you how to download. So I hope Tinkercad application is available in the Google Play Store. You can download it from. Before enrolled. Okay, so ma, you are going with the online or you are installed? You have already been installed the session, ma. That's what a Tinkercad application
No, sir. Online.
online. Let me give you a. So you can just download it from the
Okay, sir.
Google Play Store. You can download it.
Okay.
Let me share through my mobile phone also once how it will look like the interface. Just give me a minute. I'll log in into my mobile and I'll show you. I'm just stopping the screen here.
ಏನ್ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ.
Hello, mobile. Hope my screen is visible to everyone. I was just logged into my mobile phone.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
So just go for the Google Play Store. Just type ma. Do with me parallelly, ma.
Yes, sir.
Tinkercad application. If you type, you can get this. So this is the Tinkercad application. Just install it. I have already been installed. That's why it's showing to me open. So just open it. Oh. So here you can get all the things. So I have just need to get logged in. Login with my personal account. Sign in with the Google. See the same which I was showing in the laptop. It is been coming in my phone also. Now just click on create 3D design. So looks like you're using small screen. No worries. Proceed anyway.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir, it came.
Okay, I hope now I'll share my screen. Okay, Sinchana, are you there, ma?
Yes, sir.
So, can anyone guide me? So, I need to design a gear.
So what?
Gear, G-E-R, gear. I need to design a gear. So, can anyone guide me? How can I design the gear?
That I ever seen gears. I don't know what is meaning of gear.
Yes. Can you try, ma? Can you guide me how to design a gear? Which options I need to take and which options I need to go with?
So
Sir,
you
you want
have
to
to
go-
choose first basic shapes, and which shape is best for that thing to create.
Ma,
First
am
we
I
have to
audible,
choose
ma?
the sir.
Can you guide me to design a gear?
Yes, sir. I had that. So first you have to choose some basic shapes. Which
Basic
is
shapes.
perfect.
Which I need to
Yes,
which
sir.
I need to select, ma? Just say me.
Sir, I think cylinder.
Cylinder. Okay, fine. As per your suggestion, I'm taking the cylinder. Ma, if you are facing network issue, you can switch off the video, ma. No worries. You can
So
just
just a minute.
okay, ma. Yes, Sai Kiran Reddy, will you guide me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please guide me.
Okay, can you click on the basic shapes option?
Okay, I have clicked on it.
Then motors,
Motors. I hope motor option is not there.
vehicles and machines.
Vehicles
Vehicles and machines. Okay, fine. I have clicked on it.
There you can select a gear option.
Scroll down.
Gear.
Yes,
Where
sir.
is the gear? The gear is not available here. I'll go with some other options also. Where is the gear? Gear is not available here, no?
Sir, you should go
In
to the
wheels
wheels
section,
and
sir.
select the gear,
In
sir.
wheels
Hardware,
section, sir.
sir.
The wheels, sir.
Someone said hardware.
Sir, it is in the wheels, sir.
Yeah, I
The next
selected the
option
wheels only. In wheels.
Sir, in wheels and
It's in-
machines itself, but we need to choose the options we're in
That's the
above
second
row.
option, sir.
Yes.
There. Yes, sir.
The
Here?
second one.
In wheels.
No.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
It will be in the hardware. You
Yes,
got?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I
This
said
is
it.
the easiest one and you will be taking with the ready-made one. If we need to make our own gear, can we make it?
Sir, once again explain this.
Yes, ma. So I asked some of the students to guide me how to make a gear. So as per the suggestion of who has given the right answer? Can I know your name, please? Yes, Raghunandan. Okay, fine. So Mr. Raghunandan has given me an option like, so I'll remove. As per he said, so once you'd be in the basic shapes, so don't go with the basic shapes, click on this, go with the hardware. In hardware, you'd be having an
And
options here. If you click on the
gears and
gears,
axles.
all gears will be coming here, types of gears, or else if you want different kinds, you can make it. So I need the basic gear means I can select with this, or else I can go with the more other different shapes also. Based on the requirement, we'll be using it. Okay. So as you can see in your schools, you'd be having a small components in the bricks or a buy box kits or a Kidvento kits. This type of pins. Did you got? These type of pins to connect one to another. They are also being all or a 3D printed one itself. So If I need to take a gear, I'd be selecting the first one or the second one. Now
Excuse me,
make your,
sir.
yes,
So we can also create a gear by using cylinder and cuts out piece like a hexagonal shape.
yes, you can make it. But this is the easiest one where you can go with the best option with a limited one. If you want to make your own customized one, as you said, it is exactly right, ma. So let me go
Yes.
with your option now. So these are the ready-made shapes. As some of the ready-made shapes won't fit for our expected ones. So now Ms. Sinchana will just guide me how to make a gear with a cylinder. As you suggested, I have taken a cylinder. Yes. Next.
So hole. We have to make some holes inside
Holes
of
at
that
where?
cylinder.
Instead of the cylinder. Okay, fine. Is this okay?
Mm.
Oh, this will be get
We have
inside.
to put that.
Hope it is enough. I think so. Yes. Next.
Then we can adjust some triangles outside of
Triangles.
this.
So which type
Or
of
any kind of.
the first one is this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, as your
But
suggestion,
it's
I'm
cheap.
taking this. So now this must be going to the another shape, another orientation.
It means we have to adjust it outside of the cylinder as 7 times. I think it will be look like that. Okay. But sir, it's too difficult.
In this way, as you are saying.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Is this whether it must be hollow or a solid one? It should be in a hollow position. It should be in a hollow or a solid one, ma.
Mm. Sir, it would be on solid only.
No, it should be in hollow. Okay, it should not be in solid. So this gears, that means wherever you want the cuts in the cylinder. So it should be hollow. Okay, that means I need to lift it and I need to insert it. I have lifted it. Now I am just inserting it on the another option. What is this? Now I am inserting it inside this. Okay, now it is in the shape of a gear. Did everyone got?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you see? So that means
Yes, sir.
inside it's a circle where you can insert a bearing or something else. And the rest here it is in the gear shape. If you want to make this gear some more little thinner, you can make it whatever size you need, whatever shape you need. So it is called a customization. And the previous one Mr. Raghunandan has said, and it is called as a already inbuilt structures where you cannot modify them. But while doing this, you can modify your own. Okay.
So, but it's too difficult to do.
No, it's easy itself.
So, but it takes some time.
Yes, it takes some time, but it's an easy one. So you can make it your own customization. Okay. You can make
Yes,
it your
sir.
own shape gear. If you want, you can make it an another extent of angle, or else there is an another option also. Can you know what is the another option? Download a 3D picture, or else take a picture of a normal gear and convert it into a 3D picture, then upload for this software. Not this software, upload for the which printer you're using. There you can get whatever you want. You have taken the picture. Such type of gear can be used in that cases. Okay, you can print such type of gears. Okay, now I had another doubt. If I want to build a robot, can I build with these things, these options? With these shapes, can I build a
Yes.
robot? Okay,
Yes, sir.
now
We
I
Yes,
can.
am
sir.
giving
Yes.
now I am giving a 6-minute challenge for everyone. So hope everyone just make a robot. It could be of any kind of a robot. It should look like a robot by using a 3D designs. So now it's exactly 10:40. Your time starts now. Make it fast.
Tinkercad, sir.
Yes. Yes, Sai Kiran. But I don't need a ready-made one. I need
Sir,
a
I have a problem in my phone that
okay.
I can't install Tinkercad, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
same
It is
problem,
showing that
sir.
my
Now
device isn't
starting.
it is compatible.
Okay,
Yes,
the
sir.
device isn't it is a compatible. Okay, fine. It is not a 5G phone.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, fine. That's the reason. And also it requires the high processor. No worries. After the session, if you
Sir,
had
same.
yes.
I can't also join Tinkercad.
Okay.
Yes.
So who are facing the issue with the Tinkercad? No need to
Me
worry.
also, sir.
No need to worry.
Sir,
No
me
need to
also,
worry.
sir. Sayan.
The others can make it. Okay. Raghunandan, yes, ma'am.
Sir, now only we should make, sir.
Hmm? Yes.
Sir, now.
Sir,
Now
mine also,
itself.
sir. It is not connect.
No worries. No worries. Right now you
Sir,
need to
it
make
is
it,
not
ma'am.
connecting, sir.
What is it showing? Can you share? Can you share
That
me
my
your
device
screen,
isn't
Raghunandan?
compatible, sir.
Raghunandan, share me
Same.
your screen. Raghunandan, please share me your screen.
Okay.
Okay, fine. I hope Shreyas, Ritanya, I can see your faces on my screen. Can you try the things what I have
Sir,
given
we
the
have,
task?
sir,
Yes.
sir, we have to do only using basic shapes.
No, you can.
Yes, sir.
You should not. You should not take a ready-made one. You need to prepare your own. Okay.
Sir, sir, only using basic shapes, sir.
You can. No, no, no. You can use the other shapes also.
Yes, sir.
Aradhana Belly. Who is this? Yes, someone has raised the hand. Can I know what's your query? Who is this? My laptop has a problem. I cannot go through it. Pratik, can you share me your screen, please?
Sir,
Yes. Yogesh, you have raised your hand. What's your query, man?
I am also doing.
Yeah, super. Do it.
I am trying my best.
Yeah. Shreyas, can you make it, please?
Sir, my account has been.
Yes, sir.
Your account has been.
Sir,
Pratik, share me your screen, man.
Sir, my account has been in another phone, sir. So it is not the login, sir.
No worries. You can try with. You can log in with another account also. No need to worry.
Sir.
Sir, this is Aradhna.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, even I can also not download the application.
So you are going with the mobile or you are going with the laptop, ma'am?
Mobile.
Mobile. Okay, one who is okay, fine, ma. Can you share me your screen, please?
Yes, sir.
Please. Yes, good man, Amrish. You can try it. Okay, go for the Google Play Store.
Yes, sir.
Not this one, Google Play Store.
Yeah. Just a second. Yes, sir.
Type Thinkercad.
Yes, sir.
It is not showing for you. Scroll down.
No.
Okay, fine. Let me show you one APK file where you can install the Thinkercad. No need to worry. Just give me a second.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, yesterday my Tinkercad worked, but not it's showing. But today it's not working, sir. It's showing white screen only.
Who is this?
Sir, Sinchana HG.
Okay, fine, ma. Yesterday it worked well. I hope you also shared something designs, I think. Okay, why?
Yes,
What is
sir.
it showing right now?
Sir, it's showing privacy setting with white screen.
So, please share me your screen also.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yesterday you told you send that sections record.
Yesterday I have not shared the session record as I mentioned. Why I have not shared also?
Sir, but I not attend full class
No need to worry.
because of
I'll be sharing.
internet
The reason
issues, sir.
is, yeah, I understood, man. The reason is yesterday, half an hour before itself, some of the students have been just joined for it. So we need to trim the whole video and we need to upload for the YouTube. We cannot make like that only. No, that's why it is taking
Sir,
time. We'll be sharing it. No need to worry.
Sir, by that
the
I not,
application will download at Google also, sir.
sir, but I not attend the exam also,
Will open.
You have not attended the exam.
sir.
Okay.
By seeing video,
Sir, Tinkercad application also download in the Google also, sir.
Yes, you can download in the Google also.
Yes, sir. I
Sir,
will
it's showing
download, sir.
like this, sir.
But it's saying it is not compatible for your device.
Understood. No need to worry. I'll be sharing you.
Sir, it's showing like this type.
I'm checking with the APK file. Just give me a 1 minute. I'll check once in my phone and I'll just show to you, ma.
Yes, sir.
So some of the phones are not supporting the latest version. No, I'll be sharing you the older version. No need to worry.
తక్కువ చేసినాను నేను ఇంకా ఏమనుకోనంటే ఎంగేజ్మెంట్ ఇంకా ముందుగా వెళ్ళిపోయి చేసుకోండి.
Who is that speaking?
Sukrutaji, yes. Sir, is there any other application instead of Tinkercad?
No, in Tinkercad only we had a APK version where you can install it. I am just checking with my phone first. I cannot share directly with you all. No, yes, it is working. I'm sharing an APK. You can download it from there, ma. I'm sharing that just now, right now in the group. Yes,
Yes,
it
Okay,
has
sir.
been shared.
Shall we download now or after the session, sir?
Your wish. It is just a 10 MB.
Okay, sir.
And also I'm sharing another application. You can install this application after the class. That is not for today's class. Okay. The first one, App Inventor Tutor is there, no, that you need to install it.
Sir, when we open the app, it's showing Tinkercad Arduino, sir, something.
It is not
Sir, I
opening.
have done a little bit of a. Sir, it is looking like a robot.
I will not give the judgment. First, if you have completed means I'll give you. Is that Tinkercad Arduino is opening for you, ma?
No, sir.
Is also not opening.
No, sir.
Sir, I think I
Why?
should have to change my settings.
Yes, please change and try it, ma.
Same thing.
Yes, sir.
Who is that making noise? Dilip. Okay, so I have given more than the time what I need to give. So who has been completed? Let me just show you a screen. Show you a screen, ma.
Sir, if you open that Tinkercad Arduino, it shows nothing but Arduino, sir.
What? It is showing Arduino.
Yes, sir. Arduino's projects and nothing.
Sorry, why it is showing like that? For me, it is been showing perfectly. Might be the reason is your mobile version.
Sir, the Scratch is not opening, sir. The Scratch app.
Okay, fine.
It is updating.
Sir, here also not open Tinkercad, sir.
Okay. So, okay, fine. No worries if it's
Excuse me,
not
sir.
opening. Yes.
Sir,
Who is
from
this?
yesterday I'm opening the Tinkercad. It's not opening, sir. Cyan.
Ayan or Sayan? Sayan?
Cyan, yes, sir.
Okay. In your mobile phone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just give me a second. Okay, now I am sharing another application also. Just try with this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
If it is also not working, I'll say after the session. Ma.
Sir, it is working.
Sir, I will try it on other phones, sir.
Yes, you can try it, ma.
You may not have a proper app for viewing this content.
Sir, my laptop was not able.
Sir, when we download the App Inventor app, it's showing like Tinkercad Arduino.
Is it working for you? Just check it.
এটা কোন যুগের পয়সা? আরে বে Very big. Normally, actor only. Hey, build on engine robots.
Confirmation.
বন্ধ করে নিব
Okay, for some of the phones, it is not supporting. Recently, they have removed the Android, which is below the 10 version. They have removed the access for that. If you try also, it won't work. No need to worry. But you can work with this whenever you're going for your school. Take the laptops in the school as our ATL labs has each school has a 3 to 4 laptops. You can do it. So for the phones which are below the Android version 10, it won't work.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, there is 3 applications. Sir, which one, sir? We should join.
So what is your phone configuration?
Sir, this is not a phone, sir. Tab Samsung. That's
It's
right.
a tab.
And screen share also is no option is not there, sir. In this.
No need to worry. Directly go with the Play Store and you can download it there. If it's an tab, what tab is it? It's an Android or an what tab is it, ma'am?
Android, sir.
You can download
Android.
it from the Google Play Store. In tabs, it will work fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes. So one who is facing the issues that the ThinkerCAD is not working, no need to worry at all. You can make it in your home or with the other mobile phones, or else you can try it in the school whenever you go for the school. But don't stop trying. So now let me, students, please show me your robots, the design robots.
Sir, I now also I'm doing designing.
Yes, no worries. It has been already. I said I'd be giving over 6 minutes, but I had given more than the 6 minutes. I had given around 16 minutes. Okay.
Sir, I could download it on my tab, sir.
Yeah, you can download it in your tab.
Yes, sir, I'm downloading.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, in my laptop there is a problem, sir. So it is not working Tinkercad, sir.
What is the problem, man?
Don't know, sir. The Tinkercad is only not opening, sir.
Can you share me your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am Rishita. I have a power cut in my home, so I may get
No.
disconnected from the
Okay,
class.
no worries, ma. No worries, no worries.
Yes, sir.
Pratik, can you share me your screen, please? Sinchana, have you tried, ma, the robot?
Sir, I'm downloading from another mobile, sir.
You can try it in the laptop, ma. I hope you are using laptop.
Sir, I have tab.
Yeah, you can try it in tab also. In tab directly, you
Yes,
can go
yes.
with the web without downloading the application. You can try it there. No worries.
Sir, it means I have to change my privacy settings in my phone. So that's
Okay,
why it's not allowing me.
Okay, fine, fine. You can try it later, ma. No worries. Okay,
Yes.
Yogesh, please share your screen. Sayan, share your screen. And who is the another person I've raised the hand? Amresh, share your screen. Wow, you did a good job, Yogesh.
Sir, I am doing. Sir, can I do? Sir,
Yeah.
can I continue the doing?
Yes, you can continue doing, but I need to give you some suggestions in this. So the suggestions is the alignment of the things that which are used, the rectangular tabs or the bars. The alignment is not a perfect. Try to make it a perfect and also make sure some of the things are larger than the expected ones. Yes. Okay, but overall it is good. Okay, good man. You can try it, Yogesh. Can another person, Sunny Kumar? Okay, fine. Do the adjustments. So Yukta
Yes, sir.
Shri,
Yes, sir.
Yukta Shri, can you share your screen? Ritanya, can you share your screen?
Sir, I'm making still.
You are making still. Let me see how much you have tried. Ma, don't use your phone in this way. Use in the another form. That's in the landscape orientation. You would be getting a good working place area. Yes, do like that, Ma. You can get a good working place.
So my tab is continuously loading.
It's loading.
Yes,
Is
sir,
it a Byju's
continuously
tab?
loading.
Is it a Byju's tab?
Sir?
Is it a
Yes,
Byju's
sir.
tab? Okay.
It's a
I hope
Lenovo E8.
I'm not sure that in Byju's tabs it will support. Just try.
Sir,
Okay.
but it's from company, sir.
Yeah, it's from a company. If it's an Byju's, so in that there is another software which will oppose to open these applications. Okay.
So what?
If it's not a Byju's, definitely it will open.
But
Wow. Sunny has tried very good. It is not clearly visible. Can you make it a clear visible for us, man, Sunny? Super. So what about Shreyas? Share me your screen. What about Ritanya? Share me your screen.
Sir,
Yes. Wow.
I'm showing.
I asked you to build a robot.
I built, sir. AC robot.
Oh, you tried it very differently. Very well, a good try.
Yes, sir.
You made it a super. So I had a small doubt in this. Back of that robot, what is it? A green color one. Show me the screen. Okay, what is this green color?
Pine tree.
Okay, it is out of the work plan. Can you notice that what is a work plan and why we need to be inside the work plan? Do you know any idea? If not, I'll explain you.
Sir, it
What,
won't
sir?
print in 3D printer even while we print.
Yes, exactly. Okay, I hope you understood. So whenever from next time onwards, whenever you're trying, try to make it inside the workplace. Okay, if you do inside the workplace, it will be a perfect one. But very well tried in a different manner. Good man. Keep it up. Now
Thank
I'd
you, sir.
like to call Darshan. Can you share me your screen, please? Isha, can you share your screen? Jayashri, can you share your screen? Babu. Bhuvan said, Bhuvan, Tejeshwar. Ma, why are you feeling shy or what are you thinking that why you are not sharing your screens? How could I know that what the thing I have given that you have done it very perfectly well or not?
Sir, I was still doing it, sir.
Hmm?
I was still
Hello,
doing it, sir.
You are
sir.
still doing it? Okay, let me give you
Yes,
for
sir.
all another 2 minutes of time. Only 2 minutes. After that, I'll
Sir,
explain about the yes.
sir, I'm sending only 2 minutes. I'll send, sir.
Okay,
Screen.
okay, okay. Okay. Just do it in the 2 minutes and share in the WhatsApp group. Everyone. So if you're not performing well in this, so because here also the category of innovations, as the designs also will come under innovation. So one who is not performing for them in that category, we are not sure that they would win a prizes or something else.
Sir, I have sent in WhatsApp, sir.
Yes, don't send in the group, send me in a personal, send me to a personally.
Sir, personally lesson, sir. Only
Okay,
personally
fine,
lesson,
fine.
sir.
I'll check after the session, ma'am. No need to worries. Okay, so now I had a yes, ma'am. Yes, someone had any doubt?
Sir, can I send it after the session?
I didn't get. Who is this? Ambesh. Yes, super.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
can I send it after the session?
I didn't get, man. Ma, I cannot understand your voice clearly.
After the session will over.
Yes, yes, you can make it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no worries, Tejas, ready? Okay, so let me share my screen now. I like give some brief information about the 3D printers. Okay, so what is a 3D printer? How we can utilize the 3D printer effectively and efficiently? What is, first of all, I need to know what is 3D printer. Can anyone say?
Sir, in 3D printer, we can make 3D models, sir.
Okay,
We can print, sir.
you can print, yes.
Sir, also it's a process of converting digital models into solidable objects.
Digital models into?
Digital models into realistic objects.
Solid
Digital
objects, sir.
models into, yeah, it is also a type of a good answer.
Sir, it is there.
We can design in Tinkercad and we can print the solid objects in the 3D printer, sir.
Yes, you can do that also.
Sir, we
Yes.
can
Sir, we can
3D object from CAD model or a 3D model.
What is mean by CAD?
Sir?
What is mean by CAD?
Of making a physical object from a three-dimensional digital method is called 3D printer.
So CAD means computer aided design.
In 3D.
Yes, exactly. Computer aided design. So that means the designs which can be done using the computer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is called as a CAD. So actually, it is a separate subject in your engineering. CAD is a separate subject in your engineering. Okay.
Yes.
But we are not going with all those things as you are a kids, we'll be going with the limited information which is required for you. So let me go with a few things. The 3D printer. Can you give me an example? As I hope everyone is from Karnataka state. There was
Yes,
a
sir.
big update regarding this 3D printer in a past 2 months ago. What is it?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Indira Gandhi.
Anyone can say, as it is the update is from the Bangalore itself. In Bangalore,
Sir, what is
recently they have constructed a
Sir,
post
in bank,
office.
build a post office by 3D printing.
Yes, exactly. They have constructed a post office, a live post office using the 3D printer. It took around 13 days. Within 13 days, they have completed the construction of a post office. Can you imagine? So can you now get the importance of this 3D printing? So if you are not able to get a job as you were good in these 3D printings and in the 3D technologies, you can make your own company. Company in the sense the government is providing the fund to make your own company, just like a 3D printing houses, 3D printing materials, etc. Yogesh, yes, man, what is your doubt? You have raised your hand. Okay. So this 3D printing nowadays becoming a more populist one, as wherever you go, you will be getting all kind of materials available. For example, if you need a screw, bolt, etc., without going to a shop, you can prepare in your home if you had a 3D printer. Okay. So, and also, what is meant by 3D? Is there any similar word of it?
Three-dimensional.
Yes.
Three-dimensional.
So what is the difference between a 2D and a 3D?
Sir, 2D means
2D
two-dimensional. Two-dimensional, 3D means three-dimensional.
I need a clear explanation. How you can describe the 2D and how you can describe the
2D,
3D.
there will be two axes, sir, X and Y. For
Okay.
3D, there will be three, sir, X, Y, Z.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Your
and
answer is
also,
right. Your
sir,
answer
and
is
also
right.
2D figures have area and perimeter, and 3D three-dimensional figures have total surface area, lateral surface area, and the volume.
Volume.
Sir, 2D
Sir,
figures have
Volume is the
length and breadth, whereas
yes.
3D figures have length, breadth, and height.
Sir, 2D
Length,
figure.
breadth, and height. To be very
Sir,
simple, can I give you an example?
Sir, 2D figure as a plane.
Sir, like in some pictures which are having length and breadth, again a door which is having height, length, and breadth.
Height,
Sir,
length, and breadth. It to be
3D
very,
shape.
very, yes, whatever answers you said is exactly right. To be very, very short enoughly, if I want to say, 3D is nothing but a solid object, 2D is nothing but just a photo. That's it. To be in very simple definition means it is the one. 2D is nothing but a picture or a photo. 3D is nothing but a solid object. But all of your answers are good. I hope everyone remembered the summer camp sessions. I was very much
Yes,
pretty
sir.
happy. It helped you a lot. Okay. Now in these 3D printers, there are different kind of printers. So there are resin printers, PLA printers, and also the printers like acrylic printers, laser printers. Okay, but all this works with the principle of CNC. What is meant by CNC? Dear students, what is meant by CNC?
Computer numerical control.
Yes, exactly. CNC means computer numerical controller. So which works with this principle only, all these 3D printers, CNC machines, laser cutter and engravers, etc. So these machines will help the devices to work very effectively, and it is a software which creates, which enables to print, cut, engrave, to make into a shape, to mold, etc. So among these, the best one is a 3D printers. In 3D printers also, your schools, every of your schools has a PLA 3D printer. What is PLA?
Polyic acid.
Poly?
Polylactic acid.
Yes, exactly. Polylactic acid is a combination of a plastic materials, and this polylactic acid is a string-like method which will be get melted by using the extruder and intruders. So let me go with dive into those things. So what is a 3D printer and what is a 3D printing?
3D printer is a process of physical object making.
So 3D printer is nothing but printing an object in a three-dimensional way.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And it adds a layer on layer. So as you take a photo, if you want a print, it will just give in a fraction of seconds. But when it comes to this, it takes a larger time as it want to print a layer by layer each and everything, just
Yes,
like a
sir.
cake. Okay. So when you are preparing a cake, will you prepare only one layer? First of all, you will take a surface, then you will go with the bread, then you will go with the cream, again bread, again cream. Later on, you will come with the topping ups like cherries, etc. In the same way, this 3D printer also will works. It creates the bed first, later layer by layer, it will be keep on printing. So what is the software you'll be using for 3D printer?
CNC.
Sorry. So for the 3D printers, there are different kind of softwares, but when you want to print a exact module, you need AutoCAD. Yes, AutoCAD is also a software,
Autodesk.
but you need to have a separate software or an individual software of the printer. Then only you can just make the designs perfectly. So once you're done with the Tinkercad, you cannot give directly the printing. It won't come. Again, you need to make that 3D printer design. You need to slice it. You need to make that all the things are sure. Okay. So for that, you need to download your 3D printer software application in your device like a laptop or a computer. So for example, most of the schools has an Fusion 360 printers, and some of the schools has an what is it printer name? I forgot. FlashForge. So FlashForge is the best one where it gives 100% accuracy. And also this FlashForge, if you are printing with a FlashForge, you need to install FlashForge application in your laptop or a computer. The application name is Flash Print. Once you install the Flash Print, then you can go with the slicing up and printing. Okay. So, and also these 3D printers are just an ideas to the life. For example, nowadays everyone knows about how the people will be constructing the home. For example, as the technology is going on increasing, the people might need to showcase their designs to the others in a different way to get a good base of it. For example, previously the engineers used to show the site maps of the construction, but nowadays everything is just a 3D printed. Just they'll give the exact model how it looks like. But previously they used to draw with a pen and
Miniature
a
model.
pencil on a paper, but nowadays you can get the exact things, isn't it? You will
Yes,
get a
sir.
sample of it, a mini version of it. So in these cases, the 3D printer plays a very big major role. And also these 3D printers nowadays going with the advanced equipments like large machines they are using where you can print your own houses also. So is
Yes,
this
sir.
the 3D printers? So this is the FlashForge 3D printer. So most of the schools had this FlashForge.
Sir, show them.
Sir,
Sir, you're sharing your
I can't see,
screen, na,
sir.
sir.
You're not
Is my
showing
Sir,
your
are you
screen is
screen.
not
sharing your
visible?
Not
Okay,
yet.
No,
sorry,
sir.
sorry,
No,
ma.
sir, you're not present.
Sorry. Now my screen is visible.
Yes, sir. It's
Yes,
visible.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry, I have not seen that my screen has been just off. Okay, so this is the 3D printer where in maximum schools are available. It is a flash forged 3D printer. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the best printers which gives a 98% accuracy. Okay. And these 3D printers will be in different sizes and shapes. And each 3D printer will not have the same parts. The parts will be same, but the shape and size of the parts will be differed as per the requirement and as per the design of the 3D printer. Okay. So on these 3D printers, as whatever the 3D printers that here we had is a single nozzle. That means it can print at a time only a single color. Okay. There are some more 3D printers which can print a dual colors at a time. Those are called a double nozzle 3D printers. And also we had a multi-nozzle 3D printers. In those, only a one nozzle it will be, but the intake of the filaments will be a different one. The cost of it also it will be more higher. Multi-nozzle 3D printers or the multicolor 3D printers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the parts of a 3D printer. To be very frank, it is the block diagram. So whatever 3D printer it might be, it will be having a display which shows all the details of the 3D printer. And the most important one is the extruder. Extruder is nothing but the one which is a place where the filament will get melts and it will be set up into a specific structure. That is called a extruder. Yes.
So one more is not this, sir.
What is it?
It's a motherboard.
I will say. Still there are parts, ma. I will say about it also. The extruder is the most important one. Once the 3D printer working has been, once the 3D printer has been on, you should not touch the extruder at all till it's offered. Okay, because it will be very hot. You might burn your hands easily. Next comes with the filament. Filament is nothing but the raw material or the input for the 3D printer. Okay.
I think. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So there are different kind of filaments, resin, PLA, and also you'd be having a, what is that? I forgot that name. You will be having a molding printers where they will not be using a filament, will be using a liquid. So another part is the hot end. What is meant by hot end? It is the nozzle tip of the extruder where hot material comes out. It is also called the nozzle. So most of the 3D printers will be having a 0.04 mm nozzle. Why we need to use 0.04 mm only is the reason to get the accuracy of the product. Okay. Print bed. So print bed is nothing but it is also called as a base where the 3D printers, where the 3D design will be setting up. Then comes with the build volume. So in the build volume, 3-dimensional spaces can be created. That means you'll be having only a 2-stepper motors where these 2-stepper motors will be making you to build a 3-dimensional one. One will move with the horizontal and another one will move with the vertical. Okay. The cooling fan will be available. The major work of the cooling fan, whenever extruder gets heated, automatically fan gets heated and it will allow the air to pass through it. As if it is not cooling down the extruder might get burnt away. That's the reason. How do 3D printers work? 3D printers works with the principle of an CNC.
Your screen is not visible.
How does the 3D printers work? 3D printer works with an CNC principle. So if you want to watch a video, let me show you a video. So just watch this video. I hope it's visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Visible.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we can't hear.
No
Yes,
need to,
sir.
you need audio also.
Yes, sir.
Just give me a
Yes,
second.
sir.
I'll give the
Yes,
audio
sir.
also. No worries.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone should be quiet, ma.
No idea how I made them. These printers look super complicated. You know what? I'll just print an expert to help me out.
Hey Camry, I'm Cody Goldhahn, mechanical engineer and Nat Geo expert.
Wow, that thing really works.
What?
Nothing. So, Cody, can you tell me how a 3D printer shapes things so perfectly? Is it like a robot sculptor?
Not exactly. A person who sculpts stone removes chunks of a stone until it's in the desired shape. That's called a subtractive process. A 3D printer does the reverse. It's called an additive process. This means that the printer starts with nothing and then adds just enough material to make the same shape as a sculptor. It wastes less material than traditional manufacturing.
It looks like it's icing a cake.
Yep, it's just like a whole bunch of icing layers on a cake. A really hot extruder nozzle squeezes out liquid plastic, layer by layer, right up to where the computer program tells it to. Once the layer is done, the extruder raises up just enough for that next layer to get squeezed out on top.
Can a 3D printer print with other stuff?
Oh yeah, you can print with plastic, ceramics, glass, metal. Some scientists have even found a way to print with biological tissue.
Wow, kind of like how I printed you.
What?
Nothing.
The possibilities of 3D printers are endless. There's many different shapes and sizes of 3D printers. They can print houses, dental implants, complex bridges, even pizza.
Printable pizza, that's so cool. So how does the printer know how to print the exact shape of my cat toy?
Think about you and your computer as the toy designer. You draw a blueprint of anything you can imagine with your computer, creating a digital model. The computer then looks at your digital model, slices it up into layers, just like icing on the cake. Once it knows right where to put the icing, it tells the printer to squeeze out on that exact spot until the whole model is built just like your blueprints.
Wow, thanks so much for your help, Cody. You truly are one of a kind.
Hi, Camry. I'm Cody Goldhahn, mechanical engineer. How can I help you?
I didn't know you had a twin.
Now that you know how that works, catch up on all the other episodes of How Things Work by clicking right here. And also make sure you subscribe to Nat Geo Kids.
Okay, you got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to see one more thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me show you another video also how the 3D printers is design 3D printers working.
I thought इन अकेली ट्रैवलर्स का एक ग्रुप बनाते हैं फुल सेफ्टी फुल मस्ती
एक नॉर्मल प्रिंटर किसी भी इमेज या टेक्स्ट को कागज पर प्रिंट करता है, लेकिन 3D प्रिंटर उसी चीज को बनाने की कैपेसिटी रखता है। कहने का मतलब 3D प्रिंटर से हम में 3D प्रिंटर की वर्किंग को तो हम 3D एनिमेशन से समझेंगे ही, लेकिन सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट 3D प्रिंटर से सेटअप भी कर सकते हो। 3D प्रिंटर में एक नोजल होता है जिसका
So this is the nozzle. Okay. So
की
let me
हेल्प
show
से
you once
आप
again.
अच्छा बिजनेस सेटअप भी कर सकते हो। 3D प्रिंटर में एक नोजल
So this is the nozzle. This will be insert to the extruder, and this is the tip of the nozzle where the filament will be coming out. Okay.
नोजल होता है जिसका डायमीटर 0.2 mm या इससे ज्यादा भी हो सकता है।
It starts
जितना
from the
नोजल का
0.2
डायमीटर
mm
कम होगा,
diameter.
ऑब्जेक्ट उतने ही शानदार और नोजल से प्लास्टिक सेमी लिक्विड फॉर्म में बाहर निकलती है, जिसका टेम्परेचर 200 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड से लेकर 300 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड के बीच होता है। यह मेल्टेड प्लास्टिक ही किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को तैयार करती है, जिसको फिलामेंट भी बोल सकते हैं। यह फिलामेंट प्योर पॉलीमर का बना होता है जिसका मेल्टिंग टेम्परेचर कम होता है। फिलामेंट को पिघलाने के लिए नोजल के ऊपर हीट ब्लॉक लगा रहता है जिसके अंदर थर्मोस्टेट लगा रहता है। यह थर्मोस्टेट इस हीट ब्लॉक को 200 से 300 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड तक गर्म करता है और साइड में इसके टेम्परेचर को मेजर करने के लिए थर्मोकपल भी लगा रहता है और इतना हाई टेम्परेचर फिलामेंट को आसानी से पिघला देता है। हीट ब्लॉक में एक तरफ नोजल को और ऊपर की तरफ हीट ब्रेक को टाइटली फिक्स किया जाता है। यदि इनके बीच में हल्का सा भी गैप रह गया तो फिलामेंट कुछ इस तरीके से बाहर निकल जाएगा। हीट ब्रेक का बस सिंपल सा काम है हीट ब्लॉक के टेम्परेचर को ऊपर न जाने दिया जाए, इसलिए हीट ब्रेक के एक हिस्से पर हीट सिंक लगी रहती है। लेकिन फिर भी हीट थोड़ी बहुत ऊपर की तरफ चली जाती है और हीट सिंक धीरे धीरे गर्म होने लगती है, तो इसको कूल करने के लिए साइड में एक कूलिंग फैन लगा रहता है। कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि प्रिंटर लॉन्ग टाइम तक चलता है तो फिलामेंट हीट सिंक में ही पिघलने लग जाता है और हीट सिंक की दीवारों से चिपक जाता है, और जब हम प्रिंटर को बंद करने के बाद काफी टाइम बाद में ऑन करते हैं तो हीट सिंक की दीवारों पर चिपकी हुई प्लास्टिक सॉलिड हो जाती है और नए फिलामेंट को अंदर नहीं आने देती, जिसको हीट क्रीप बोलते हैं। उस कंडीशन में हमें हीट सिंक की क्लीनिंग करनी होती है। फिलामेंट को नोजल अपनी तरफ नहीं खींच सकता, इसलिए फिलामेंट को आगे फोर्स लगाने के लिए एक स्टेपर मोटर लगी रहती है। यहाँ पर गियर डायरेक्ट मोटर से जुड़ा होता है और एक आइडल गियर होता है। जब इनके बीच से फिलामेंट निकलता है तो मोटर का फोर्स फिलामेंट पर लगता है और मोटर फिलामेंट को इस बंडल से निकालकर आगे बढ़ाता रहता है। इस मैकेनिज्म को एक्सट्रूडर बोलते हैं। स्टेपर मोटर घड़ी की तरह चलती है जिसका टॉर्क हाई होता है। यहाँ पर मोटर आपको सेम स्पीड में चलती हुई दिखाई दे रही है, जिसके पीछे रीजन है 3D प्रिंटर में स्टेपर मोटर का स्टेप एंगल 0.9 डिग्री होता है, जिसका सिंपल सा मतलब है मोटर का रोटर 0.9 डिग्री के छोटे छोटे स्टेप में रोटेट करता है और इतने छोटे शानदार होती है, क्वालिटी आती है। रोबोटिक्स एप्लीकेशन में मोस्टली इसी मोटर को यूज किया जाता है। अब 3D प्रिंटिंग करने से पहले जिस ऑब्जेक्ट को हमें प्रिंट करना है उसको 3D सॉफ्टवेयर की हेल्प से कंप्यूटर के अंदर बनाया जाता है, और 3D के सॉफ्टवेयर को हमने डिटेल से हमारे 3D एनिमेशन के कोर्स में सिखाया है, तो एक बार आप कोर्स को जरूर से सीख हम है। 3D प्रिंटर सबसे पहले फाइल को रीड करता है और नोजल को सेट करता है, जितनी भी मोटर है उनको रेडी करता है और प्लास्टिक मेल्ट करने के लिए हीट ब्लॉक को स्टार्ट कर देता है। 3D प्रिंटर का यह बेड है जिस पर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट बनकर तैयार होता है। जो गर्म प्लास्टिक नोजल से निकलती है वह इसी के ऊपर आकर गिरती है, तो यह काफी गर्म हो जाती है, इसलिए इसको टच नहीं करना चाहिए हाथ से। इस बेड का कंट्रोल भी कंट्रोलर के पास में ही होता है, जो ओनली Y एक्सिस में कुछ इस तरीके से मूव कर सकता है। बेड को मूव करवाने के लिए एक स्टेपर मोटर होती है जिसको बेल्ट की हेल्प से बेड से कनेक्ट किया जाता है। बेड के ऊपर हेड यूनिट होती है जिसमें नोजल लगा रहता है। हेड यूनिट भी एक्स एक्सिस में अपना मूवमेंट कर सकती है और इसके मूवमेंट को एक अलग स्टेपर मोटर कंट्रोल करती है, जो एक बेल्ट की हेल्प से हेड यूनिट से कनेक्टेड रहती है। अब इस हेड यूनिट को जेड एक्सिस में अप डाउन करवाने के लिए एक और अलग स्टेपर मोटर लगी रहती है यहाँ नीचे की तरफ, जिससे एक थ्रेडेड रोड को कनेक्ट किया जाता है। जब मोटर रोटेट करती है तो रोड पर लगे थ्रेड्स हेड यूनिट को जेड एक्सिस में अप डाउन करवाते हैं। और इंटरेस्टिंगली हमारा रियल वर्ल्ड जो हमें 3D में दिखाई देता है उसमें X, Y एंड G तीन ही एक्सिस होते हैं और 3D प्रिंटर का तीनों एक्सिस में पूरा कंट्रोल है, तो ये किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को जैसे इंसान बनाते हैं वैसे बनाने के लिए तैयार है। नोजल सिर्फ प्लास्टिक को पिघलाने के बाद बाहर भेजता है, बाकी जैसा हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है उसके हिसाब से नोजल हेड को मूव करवाने का काम प्रिंटर का कंट्रोलर करता है। नोजल हेड से प्लास्टिक कंटिन्यूअसली पिघलता रहता है और बाहर निकलता रहता है। तो सबसे पहले नोजल हेड जिस तरीके से हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है वैसा जैसा बेड पर प्लास्टिक को लाइन बाय लाइन सेट करता है। जब एक लेयर बनकर तैयार हो जाती है तब हेड थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठता है और उसी लेयर के ऊपर फिर से प्लास्टिक को पिघलाकर लाइनों को ऐड करता जाएगा। इस तरीके से एक के ऊपर एक लेयर को सेट किया जाता है और जब तक हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट बनकर तैयार नहीं हो जाता तब तक यही प्रोसेस चलती रहती है। इस टाइप की प्रिंटिंग को एडिटिव प्रिंटिंग बोला जाता है, जिसमें एक के ऊपर एक लेयर को ऐड किया जाता है और इस टेक्निक को फ्यूज्ड डिपॉजिट मॉडलिंग बोला जाता है। यदि आपके दिमाग में थोड़ी हलचल हुई हो तो एक क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में जरूर आना चाहिए कि एक्सट्रूडर मोटर इतनी दूर से फिलामेंट पर फोर्स लगाएगी तो क्या फोर्स सही से लग पाएगा? मेरे ख्याल से बिल्कुल भी नहीं। इसलिए एक्सट्रूडर से हेड यूनिट तक एक ट्यूब को कनेक्ट किया जाता है जो फिलामेंट पर आ रहे प्रेशर को हेड यूनिट तक पहुंचाने का काम करती है। अब ऐसा भी किया जा सकता है कि एक्सट्रूडर को हेड यूनिट के ऊपर ही सेट कर दिया जाए, लेकिन इससे एक प्रॉब्लम आती है, हेड यूनिट हेवी हो जाएगा जिसकी वजह से वह अपना मूवमेंट एक्यूरेटली नहीं, फाइनल आउटपुट खराब भी हो सकता है। इन प्रिंटर की सबसे बड़ी खास बात है कि जब कोई मॉडल बन जाता है तो उसमें वेस्ट मटेरियल ऑलमोस्ट जीरो होता है और इनकी हाई एफिशिएंसी होती है। ऑब्जेक्ट को हम पहले ही 3D के सॉफ्टवेयर में बनाकर अच्छे से देख लेते हैं कि उसमें कोई मिस्टेक तो नहीं है। 2022 तक 3D प्रिंटर का मार्केट शेयर ऑलमोस्ट 16 बिलियन के अराउंड था, लेकिन कुछ रिसर्च से पता चला कि 2030 तक इसका मार्केट 105 बिलियन तक हो जाएगा, जिसका मतलब समझते हो इस सेक्टर में जबरदस्त फ्यूचर हो सकता है। आने वाले टाइम में एरोस्पेस सेक्टर में एयरक्राफ्ट आएंगे, बिल्डिंग्स और ब्रिज भी 3D प्रिंटर से बनने लग जाएगी, जिसके छोटे एग्जाम्पल आज भी हमें दिखाई देते हैं। मेडिकल सेक्टर में 3D प्रिंटिंग के कई एप्लीकेशन सामने आए हैं। डेंटल फील्ड में डेंटल क्राउन को पेशेंट के हिसाब से बनाकर सेट किया जाता है। प्रोस्थेटिक इक्विपमेंट 3D प्रिंटर से बनाए जाएंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू पेशेंट नीड। लेकिन 3D प्रिंटर को ऑपरेट करने के लिए आपको 3D में ऑब्जेक्ट कैसे बनाए जाते हैं वह भी आना चाहिए। इसलिए हमने 3D एनिमेशन का बेहतरीन कोर्स डिजाइन किया है, जिसमें हमने मॉडल्स बनाने के अलावा भी एनिमेशन कैसे करते हैं वह सब भी
Okay, got very clear information about the 3D printers.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you have any doubts in this now? Let me know, please.
No.
Okay,
No,
fine,
sir.
I'll go with the PPT
No,
now.
sir.
I'll continue. So, is my screen visible now?
Sir,
No. No, sir.
Confirm
sir, I
once
have a
again.
doubt.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
I have a doubt, sir.
yes, Kiran.
Sir, we are facing the problem of heat creep in our school 3D printer, sir.
Heat
Where feel heat creep, sir?
creep. Okay.
How to solve that, sir?
Where you are getting that at the bed or at the nozzle?
At the nozzle, sir. The filament is not going in. I guess the filament has been heated in the heat sink, sir.
Heat sink.
Yes, sir.
No. Actually, the reason is not that. The reason is you need to cover the 3D printer after using it. If you have not covered it, the nozzle will be get blocked away. You need to remove the nozzle, you need to clean, and again you need to insert it. Okay, have you
sir.
tried this?
No, sir. I guess you itself tried that, sir, while you visited our school.
When I visited your school?
While distributing the prizes of
Okay,
summer camp,
summer
sir.
camp. Did I set any error on it?
I don't remember, sir.
Okay, fine. When I come, I think you are from the Adarsh Vidyalaya Bagepalli.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll be coming in the next month. I have already prepared the schedule plan of it. So when I come, just remember me the thing. I'll be helping you in it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine, ma. So, okay. So how can you label these parts? For example, so this is the display. Extruder. The whole setup is called extruder. and this tip is called as a nozzle. Hope the picture is clear enough for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this tip is called the nozzle. Let me zoom it out still. Okay. So this is called the nozzle. And is it? So in this nozzle only you will not be having any stepper motor or anything else, but the stepper motors will be one at here, which makes to push and pull. So it makes to adjust it to be done in the X and Y axis. And also another nozzle will be, another stepper motor will be under this, where this bed will be keep on moving up and down. So two stepper motors will be available, and also the another stepper motor will be available at the place of uh, filament, because it need to push the filament inside. Total 3 stepper motors will be available in a 3D printer, in a basic 3D printer. If the 3D printer is advanced, there would be an extra stepper motors also. No need to worry. And another important thing is in this, which is x-axis, which is y-axis, and which is z-axis. The extruder part is called as an
Sir,
x and
can you
y
say the
axis.
question again, sir?
In a 3D printer, how we can consider x, y, and z axis? Let me explain you. In 3D printers, the extruder part is called as an x and y axis. When it moves forward, it is called x-axis. When it moves backward, it's called a y-axis. That means if this one works will like this, it is this extruder works like this, it is x-axis. If the extruder works like this, it is in the y-axis. If the bed moves up and down, then it is called the z-axis. Okay.
Use kocha.
Yes, sir.
ऊपर যাচ্ছি হয়ে যাচ্ছে
Okay. Now the
Answer
final
that.
one. So what you have learned in this? So by today's end of the session, you have learned how to design the 3D printers, and also you have got the basic information about the 3D printers. Okay. So till now, do you have any doubts in it?
No, sir.
Let me know,
No,
please.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No one has the doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So
No,
one
sir.
doubt.
Yes.
So what is the difference between 3D printing and additive manufacturing? Both
So
are same, na,
3D,
sir?
both are same. 3D printing uses additive manufacturing thing. Additive manufacturing is nothing but it will add a layer by layer of a plastic. It adds the plastic. When it comes for subtractive manufacturing, it is called as an just a sculpture, just tries to make a good sculptures. Sorry. For example, if you go for making a idols of a god, okay, it will be in a stone format. So whenever the person used to make that stone into ideal of a god, he need to cut the waste particles of that stone, of that rock. Okay. That means he is just removing all the things, all the materials which are unwanted. That is called a subtractive. He is breaking down the, is cutting down into different parts and is wasting there. But in the additive, it is not doing like that. It is just adding a layer by layer. Instead of breaking down, it is in adding it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Did you got, or do you have any other doubt, ma, or I need to explain once again?
Sir, no, sir.
Okay, fine. Still any others have a doubt, ma? Please let me know. Yuktashri, you have raised your hand. Can I know your query, please?
Sir, we text in, sir, we how to text in the Tinkercad, sir?
Okay, you need to get an exposure of a Tinkercad. That means you need to know how to text in a Tinkercad.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me show my screen. Yes, Maithili, can I know you what's your query, please?
Sir, we can say that Tinkercad is additive manufacturing about, sir, we create physical objects in a digital design, sir.
Repeat once again your query, ma. I didn't got your point.
We can say that 3D printer is additive manufacturing, creates a physical object in a digital
Yes,
design.
exactly, ma. What you said is right.
Okay.
So another one doubt.
Yes, ma.
So what happens? There is no cooling fan in a 3D printer.
Okay, so if there is no fan in a fan in a 3D printer, then the extruder heat will be keep on increasing. It will not be get decreased. So for example, let me explain you in a simpler way. Whenever you put a heater, everyone knows heater, no? Water heater. When you connect for a socket, will that heater will keep on increasing its heat or else it will be keep on decreasing? Please answer my question. It increases its heat due to the constant voltage. Okay. So in the similar way, in extruder there will be a thermoplastic material which creates the heat, but it cannot be get cooled down. If the heat is keep on creating, the layer by layer which is getting which is placed on the 3D printer on the bed, no, it also will be get melted instead of getting. What is that sound?
Sir, it's an emergency message.
Came from?
Emergency
Government,
message.
sir. It's a testing message.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Everyone has received the same message, I hope.
Yes,
Even I
sir.
also received the same message.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no worries. So let me explain your doubt, please. In the 3D printer, if there is no cooling
Sir,
fan,
what message, sir?
I also don't know because I'm not seeing the mobile phone. Okay, I'm just on this session. So in the 3D printers, if there is no cooling fan, automatically the heat will be keep on increasing. To reduce that heat, it is mandatory to have a cooling fan. If the heat is not been getting reduced, automatically every object has a specific limit of heat. If it crosses that, automatically it will be get collapsed or it will be get damaged. Okay, and when coming to the Yuktashri's point, my Yuktashri, just confirm me, can you see my screen, please? Yuktashri, are you there, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you see my screen, ma?
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
can.
my Tiri, just give me a minute. I'll just explain Yuktashri's doubt and I'll come to you, ma. So let me remove this all the things. So as your doubt is how to add an text. So whenever you open into the 3D, whenever you open into this Tinkercad software, automatically you'll get into this work plan, and also you'll get a basic shapes. In the basic shapes, you would be having an option called as a text, where you can create your text. Once you leave it, just enter your text. So I will enter my text as Techbuzz. That's it. If you want in a different styles, you can make it. But here you will be having a limited styles. So let me shift to the other side. So if you want to check, you can check. The text has been added. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Any others have a doubt, ma? Let me know, please. It's already 11:48. It's time to wind up the session. If anyone has a doubt, please let me know. I'll explain and I'll wind up.
Yes, sir.
Yes, who is this, ma? Can I know what's the query, please? Yes, Maithili.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is complicated to work in Tinkercad in mobile, sir. So I can't place an object in my phone, sir.
Okay, fine, no worries. But whatever I have explained, have you got all those points, Noma?
Yes,
you
sir.
can try when the school gets opened. You can try it in your school by using the laptops in the Atal Tinkering Lab. Okay.
Okay.
So every student has 100% rights to use their ATL lab in the school. Please utilize the labs. Once the school gets open, you can utilize it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Still anyone had a doubt?
Sir, but accident today also someone is removing me again and again.
So I hope no one is removing today. No one has been removed. The only removing option has been come is if you have been a network issue, because Teams application requires the minimum amount of data, and it consumes more data because the session is a live recording. Okay, that's why if others are just switching on your cameras, the network issues might be. That's why I said starting itself. In the starting you can switch on, later you can switch off the cameras. No need to worry. So as it consumes more amount of data for the other students. Okay, and also it requires high speed internet. If there is no high speed internet, your session will be get interrupted. No need to worry.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Anyone has any other doubts, sir? Let me know, please, ma'am. If there is no doubt, can I wind up the session? Or
Yes,
else
sir.
if anyone has any other
Sir,
doubt?
can you send the timetable, sir, in the group?
Need the timetable? Okay, fine. I'll send the timetable, man. No need to worry. Okay, bye all. Just try to answer perfectly in the today's exam. Hope everyone understood my session very well.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone can leave by yourself.
Thank you. Bye, sir.
Okay, bye all.
Sir.
Bye,
Enjoy
sir.
the day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.
Bye, sir.